Hey learners, it's Missy, and welcome back to Missy's English, your cozy corner for learning English. How are you feeling today? I hope you are feeling relaxed, happy, and ready to speak. Today we have a longer session. We are going to go deep into a topic that everyone loves. We are talking about family and pets. You know, the people and animals we love the most. Family is the most common topic in small talk, so you need to be an expert at it. This is a shadowing session. That means I want you to listen to me and then speak out loud. Don't be shy. No one is listening except me. Are you ready? Let's start with the basics. The immediate family. I want you to imagine you are introducing your family to a new friend. Listen to this sentence first. I come from a small family. Did you hear that? Let's try it together. I come from a small family. Good! Now, put it all together. I come from a small family. Maybe your family is big. Let's try the opposite. I have a very big family. Your turn. I have a very big family. Excellent. Now let's talk about brothers and sisters. In English, we use the word siblings for brothers and sisters together. Do you have any siblings? Repeat that question. Do you have any siblings? Now, let's answer it. I have one older brother. Try that. I have one older brother. And I have two younger sisters. And I have two younger sisters. You are doing great! Remember, older means they were born before you. Younger means they were born after you. Let's make it a little more complex. What if you are the only child? I am an only child. Say it with pride. I am an only child. That means you have no brothers or sisters. You get all the presents. Now, let's talk about your parents. Describing people is very important. We will start with physical appearance. What do they look like? My father is very tall. Simple and strong. My father is very tall. He has short gray hair. Try that. He has short gray hair. Note that we use is for height, but has for hair. He wears glasses for reading. Repeat. He wears glasses for reading. Now let's describe your mother. My mother is short and slim. Go ahead. My mother is short and slim. She has beautiful long hair. Say it nicely. She has beautiful long hair. Perfect. Now let's move to personality. What are they like inside? Let's learn some positive words. My brother is very funny. Try that. My brother is very funny. He always makes me laugh. A bit faster. He always makes me laugh. That is a great quality. What about someone who works hard? My sister is very hardworking. Repeat. My sister is very hardworking. She is a university student. She is a university student. Maybe your dad is quiet? My father is a serious man. Try it. My father is a serious man. But he is very kind. Important word, kind. But he is very kind. You are building a full picture now. Appearance and personality. Let's take a small break. Breathe in and breathe out. Okay, part 2. Let's talk about where they live. Listen to this story about my parents. My parents live in a quiet village near the sea. That sounds nice, doesn't it? Let's break that long sentence down. My parents live in a quiet village near the sea. One more time, a little faster. My parents live in a quiet village near the sea. What if they live in the city? My family lives in a busy apartment in the city center. Let's try that. My family lives in a busy apartment in the city center. City center. That is the middle of the city. Do you live with them? I still live with my parents. Common in many countries. I still live with my parents. Or maybe you moved out. I moved out last year. I moved out last year. Now I live alone. Now I live alone. Great rhythm! Now, let's talk about the best part of the family. The pets. I love animals so much. Do you have a pet? Listen to how I talk about my dog. We have a golden retriever named Max. Your turn. We have a golden retriever named Max. A golden retriever is a type of dog. A very happy type of dog. What is he like? Listen carefully. He is very friendly and loves to play fetch. Break it down with me. He is very friendly and loves to play fetch. Fetch. That is when you throw a ball and the dog brings it back. Fetch! Maybe you are a cat person? Cats are very different from dogs. My cat is quiet and likes to sleep all day. Try that. My cat is quiet and likes to sleep all day. Beautiful pronunciation. What if you have a small pet? I have a hamster. I have a hamster. He runs on his wheel at night. This is a fun sentence. He runs on his wheel at night. Squeak, squeak, squeak! Now, let's talk about taking care of them. Owning a pet is a big responsibility. That means you have to do work for them. I have to feed my dog twice a day. Listen and repeat. I have to feed my dog twice a day. Twice means 2 times. Once in the morning, once in the evening. I also take him for a walk in the park. Let's go. I also take him for a walk in the park. Great rhythm! Let's try that whole sentence together smoothly. I also take him for a walk in the park. Wonderful. What if you don't have a pet, but you want one? I really want to adopt a puppy soon. Try it. I really want to adopt a puppy soon. Adopt means to bring a pet home from a shelter. It is a very kind thing to do. Let's move to part 3, family routines. What does your family do together? Routine means the things you do every week. On Sundays, we usually have a big dinner together. This is a long one. Stay with me. On Sundays, we usually have a big dinner together. Usually means we do it almost every time. We love to cook and chat for hours. Your turn. We love to cook and chat for hours. What about holidays? We always travel during the holidays. We always travel during the holidays. Last year, we went to Japan. Last year, we went to Japan. That uses the past simple tense. Went. Is your family noisy or quiet? My family is very noisy because everyone talks at the same time. That was fast. Let's slow it down. My family is very noisy because everyone talks at the same time. Can you imagine that? It is chaos, but it is fun. Let's learn a nice phrase to describe relationships. I am very close to my mother. Try that. I am very close to my mother. Close here does not mean distance. It means we are good friends. We tell each other everything. My brother and I get along well. This is a great phrasal verb. Get along. My brother and I get along well. Get along means we have a good relationship. We don't fight. Well, maybe sometimes. What about extended family? Aunts, uncles, cousins. I have many cousins living in different countries. Let's try. I have many cousins living in different countries. It is hard to see them often. But we video call every month. Repeat. But we video call every month. Okay, we are in the final section. Part 4, how to ask questions. If you meet a new friend, you want to ask about their family. You cannot just talk about yourself. Do you have any brothers or sisters? We learned this earlier, but let's practice asking it. Do you have any brothers or sisters? How old is your brother? How old is your brother? Does your family live in Singapore? Does your family live in Singapore? Notice we use does because family is one unit. What do your parents do? This means, what are their jobs? What do your parents do? Is your sister married? Is your sister married? No, she is single. No, she is single. You are asking great questions. Let's do a quick vocabulary review before we finish. I say the word, you repeat it. Siblings. Siblings. Only child. Only child. Adopt. Adopt. Feed. Feed. Get along. Get along. Chaos. Chaos. That was the word for my noisy family. All pets are cute, right? Even the strange ones. I once knew someone with a pet snake. Can you believe that? He has a pet snake in a glass tank. Just for fun, let's say it. He has a pet snake in a glass tank. I think I prefer dogs. Okay, we are finally done. I want you to take a deep breath. Feel confident. You have learned how to describe your parents, your siblings, your home, your pets, and your routines. That is a huge amount of English for one day. I am so proud of you for practicing. Speaking is like a muscle. You have to use it to make it strong. Tell me in the comments, do you have a big family or a small family? And do you have a snake? I really want to know. If you liked this episode, please like and subscribe. It helps our community grow, and it helps more friends find us. Thanks for learning with us today. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next English chat. Bye-bye.